done an incredible job outside. Good morning, friends. It's our first day in LA. Hi, friends. Austin and I are going to Home Depot today to get some more plants. What are you getting, Austin? What's on your Home Depot wish list?
Some herbs.
Herbs. And probably some dirt. We're gonna head over there, get the goods, and have a day at Home Depot. Austin has done an incredible job outside. We put some more mulch and dirt and this guy here. We also repotted this one. I think it's gonna surpass me in height this year, which is exciting. 16-inch, biggest plant I've ever had. And this is our beautiful little outdoor area. Looks so good. King Austin, some basil, and then these were, what were they called again?
Oh, boxwoods.
Boxwoods. Yeah, and they'll be alive all year round, so. All right, we are done with our tours for today, so I'm meeting up with my friend Sarah. Austin went to go meet up with his friend, and then we're gonna meet back up for dinner. I'm wearing this little fit. And again, you guys, like, when you look put together but casual, I love it. I'm like barely got any makeup on. It's just my usual makeup. And I'm wearing this super cute Reformation top, but I pared it down. These are my new RLT pants. They're supposed to kind of look like the Row Galas. I'm obsessed with these fisherman sandals from Zara. I'm gonna wear them as long as I can. And then to make it look more casual, I've just got a tote bag because I'm biking there. Like, I'm not trying to be fancy. Like, it's casual, but it's a little bit dressy, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get on a bike, see Sarah, and then we'll see where the day goes, the night goes. And I'm pre-gaming with some oatmeal, level that blood sugar. It's a few days later and I just finished packing. I'm going to LA for the week to see my family and some friends. So I've got my suitcase all organized and spent this morning like folding laundry, packing everything up. And I'm actually gonna go to Koyana right now because I've been looking and researching a few work bags. As you guys know, I'm planning to go to the office 3 to 4 times a week when I start my new job at the end of the month. And I really am intrigued by their system tote. Everyone's raving about it. All sorts of corporate girlies swear by it. So I wanna try it on. I'm leaning towards the 16-inch system tote, but the 13-inch is also on the mind. I love a big bag, and my work bag I had previously was quite large. So I'm actually bringing that with me for size comparison. This is easily like a ginormous bag, just to kind of get the same look and feel and kind of compare the two. So let's head out. All right, we are back home from Koyana. I showed you guys some of the clips. I think ultimately the system tote 16-inch was right for me. The color I'm not so sure about yet. So they have the olive green, which I really liked, and they also have this new one coming called Mocha. She showed it to me in another bag, and it's this kind of cool toned dark brown. When you think dark brown, you usually think of like a pretty warm, like chestnut brown. And I liked that the Mocha was a more cool tone that goes with a lot more of the things that I wear. I feel like it goes better with my skin tone and hair color. So I'm kind of waiting to see when that comes in. She said a few weeks, so I'm like, okay, I can tote around for a few more weeks. Then I went to Whole Foods to get some snacks for the plane. I got some turkey jerky sticks. I love Chomps, but I picked up this Vermont pepperoni one too. And then Go Macro bars, oatmeal, good old oatmeal, and sunflower butter, my go-tos because I have a nut allergy, and these are the only nut-free ones. Although I saw this maple sea salt one, maybe for next time. And then this was my random one. Why don't we just try one right now? Because I'm like, why not? It just tastes like a really bad Fig Newton. Sorry. We're throwing those out. Good morning, friends. It's our first day in LA. I had a good sleep last night, so I feel ready to go today. Slept in until 6:30, so win is a win. Actually, been a pretty stacked day today, which I am excited about because I won't lie. When I woke up this morning, I was like, I don't even know where to start. And I felt so behind. Like, my big thing with Pacific time is that you constantly feel like you're waking up and you have to like catch up with everything that's happened. So like news, emails, social media, like with friends, all this stuff. You just feel like so much happened while you were sleeping. So it's a little too many phone hours this morning. That's okay. I'm going to go on a walk, meditation walk, then go to the gym and do a quick workout, shower, and then hit the grocery store because I did not go yesterday. So I want to pick up a few essentials because obviously me and my dad are different people. So gotta stock the house a little bit because respectfully, I am not eating bran flakes for breakfast and 2% milk. And I'm picking up Austin from the airport tonight, which will be fun. He doesn't get in until 10:30. And my dad and I are gonna go to the farmer's market, make a quick dinner, and then I'll go pick him up. So a fun-filled day ahead. And quickly, I want to share with you guys what I got from the Lily clasp sale. This was like a month ago, but they still have them on the website. I shipped them to my dad's house in accident. It's a whole thing. But I wanted to get a tennis bracelet because Austin had been asking me, you know, what gift do you want for our 4-year anniversary? Like, are you interested in anything? And I was like, well, maybe a tennis bracelet, tennis necklace. And I knew I wanted one that wasn't just like your typical emerald square round. So this one has mixed shapes. It's got emerald, square, round, pears, marquise, oval. Like, it's just unique in that way. But ultimately, I think it's just too flashy for me, especially when I have my watch as well. It just seems like a lot going on my wrist. So I think that's out. Find another alternative, but I do think it's a fun thing to wear. And then I of course got some earrings. I love Lily clasp earrings. These drop ones I thought were so cute. They're just the right amount of drops where it's not super dramatic, but adds little something, especially if your hair's up. And then I got this little one, which is just a little drop for a bit more everyday, but I think they're both very everyday looking earrings. So excited to have those. I love Lily clasp earrings. They're super lightweight, trendy, modern. They don't rust, and only good experiences with their stuff. So it's a bit of the haul. We are going to my best friend Polly's baby's first birthday, and I've never been to a baby's birthday party. I'm kind of excited. I'm wearing this dress from Ulla Johnson. It's backless but tasteful. I did a little braid in my hair, got some earrings on. I'm just wearing some sandals, and then I brought my bathing suit as well. It's a beautiful day, 80 degrees, can't complain. So I'll see you guys there. guys, it is Sunday. I'm gonna try to upload this vlog today. This morning, me and Austin went on a walk. We had so much fun at my friend Polly's baby's first birthday. It was just great to catch up with everyone in like a casual setting. And then we kind of hung out, went to dinner. It was chill. We just went to lunch at Austin's favorite Japanese restaurant. They have the best sushi. Like, I'm not talking like a California roll. No, girl. I'm talking iwashi. I'm talking like barracuda. They have some really intricate fish and it is amazing. We're now meeting up with Austin's friend Henry, who's driving down from San Francisco. He's going to San Diego to stay there for a few weeks. And he was like, I'm passing through LA. Let's hang out. So we're gonna go to Soho Warehouse and sit by the pool, but the sun is kind of like not out, so we'll see. And I just showered, so I'm like not really trying to lay outside, but whatever. So gonna be a little bit go today, but we're excited because today's finally like the first day that I feel like Austin and I are like chilling and just kind of doing our own plans versus like what everyone else is doing. So